Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Mayank.
Sir, it is so, sir, uh, it is showing that host is not allowed to open the mic. Why, sir?
Beta, your mic is open. Okay, I don't think that anyone else will be joining now. Only two students.
No, sir. No, sir.
In other periods also only two, three students are there.
Yes, sir.
Why the students from your class are not joining the classes?
Sir, don't know.
What about the first period?
Uh, Sir, 14, uh, 9 students, sir.
In the first period. And who is your class teacher in class teachers period?
Sir, Smriti ma'am.
Smriti ma'am is your class teacher. So how many students join science class?
Uh, Sir, over the 10 students.
Over 10 students join the science class. When do you have your
15, 17.
15 students join the science class? And
Yes,
when
sir.
do you have your science period? Which period is it? First, second,
Sir,
third, fourth, which?
sir, previous class is science class before your.
Sorry, the last period was science period only.
Yes,
Daily you have sixth period as your science period. Daily.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir, but in that Gagan sir teaches.
Okay. And class teacher is Smriti ma'am. How many periods Smriti ma'am have in your class?
Sir, what?
Sir, 3 in a week.
In a week she has three periods. So the students do not care about their attendance or what? So whatever. I will talk to the class teacher about this. So we are doing the chapter volume and surface area, and we have started doing the exercise B.
Sir, 10th question we are doing.
Exercise 20B. We have done
20B,
question
sir.
number 9, and we have to do question 10. The radius and height of a cylinder are. I think we have done. I explained you this question. Ratio of radius and height. So radius you can take as 7x and height you can take as 2x. Volume of the cylinder is given 8316 centimeter cube. Now we can find the the radius and height using this. We know that volume is equal to pi r square h. Cylinder volume of cylinder is pi r square h. So volume is given 8316 value of pi 22 upon 7, radius 7x, 7x into 7x, height is 2x. Okay, so this 7 and 7 you can cut. So 8316 divided by 22 into 7 into 2, and in the RHS what is left? X cube. Okay, so x cube is equal to, when you simplify this, divide by 7, 8316 divided by 7, 1 1 8 8 1188. So 1188 divided by 22 into 2, you can divide by 11, 2 108. Now we can divide by 4. On dividing by 4 you get 27. So x cube is equal to 27.
Sir, x is equal to 3.
X is equals to cube root of 27, that means 3.
3.
3 centimeter is x. Now we will use this value of x to
To
find
find the
radius,
radius
height.
and height.
Radius is equal to 7x, so 7 into 3 is 21 centimeters. Height is equal to
6
2x,
centimeter.
so this is 6 centimeters. Okay, what else do we have to find? Anything else? We have to find TSA. Find the total surface area of cylinder. TSA of a cylinder is equal to 2 pi r h plus r. This is the formula of TSA. 2 into 27 upon, so 2 into 22 upon 7 into r. Radius is 21 and h plus r 6 plus 21. So let's cut it. So 2 into 22 into 3 into 6 plus 21 is 27.
27.
Okay. Find the product. 44 into 81.
'Sir, 3564.
3564 centimeter square. This is the total surface area of the cylinder. Okay. Just wait for a minute. Let me connect power with my laptop. Let me connect it with an inverter. There is no electricity. Note down the question, all of you. Have we all done the question? Question number 11. The curved surface area of a cylinder is given 4400 centimeter square and the circumference of its base is 110 centimeter. Find the volume of the cylinder. CSA is given 4400 centimeter square and the circumference of the base. Circumference of the base is given 110 centimeters. Okay. We have to find the volume. To find the volume, we need the radius and height. So from where we can find the radius? We know that circumference of the base of a cylinder is 2 pi r. Why 2 pi r? Because the base of a cylinder is circular and the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. So we can say that 2 pi r is equal to 110. Okay, this is given. 2 pi r is equal to 110. So 2 into 22 upon 7 into r is equal to 110. Therefore, r is equal to 110 into 7 upon 2 into 22. So on dividing by 22, we get 5. 110 divided by 22 is 5. 5 into 7 is 35 upon 2. This is the radius. 35 upon 2 centimeters. Okay. Now we will use the radius to find the height. How? Let's see. Let's write the formula of CSA. The formula of CSA is 2 pi r h. This is the curved surface area of a cylinder. I hope you all remember the formula, all the formulae.
Yes, sir.
So CSA is given 4400, 2 into 22 upon 7 into 35 upon 2. This is the radius which we have just calculated into h. From this equation, we can easily find height. So let's do it. You can cancel this 2 with this 2 and 35 divided by 7 is 5. So we get h equal to 4400 divided by 22 into 5. So this is 200 and 200 divided by
Sir,
5 is
40.
40.
Sir, 40.
So
40.
h is
40
equal to 40
centimeters.
centimeters. This is the height. Now we have to find the volume of the cylinder. We know the radius and height, both the things. Volume is equal to pi r square h. 22 upon 7. Radius is 35 upon 2 into 35 upon 2 into h. H is 40. Okay. So 40 divided by 4 is 10. 22 into 5 into 35 into 10. Find the product. 22 into 5 is 110. 110 into 35. 0, 0. 35 into 1 is 35.
Sir,
35 into 1,
38.
35 plus 3.
Sir,
38
38,500.
centimeter cube.
Yes, sir.
38500 centimeter cube. This is the volume of the cylinder. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Done? All of you? Both of you.
Yes, sir.
Question number 2. Sorry, 12. A particular brand of talcum powder is available in 2 packs. So there is a brand of talcum powder which is available in 2 packs. A plastic can with a square base. So the first one is like this. So this is a brand of talcum powder. This is one of the packs of the talcum powder. A plastic can with square base. You can see the base of the can is square, but it is not a cube. It is still a cuboid because the height is not seen. The side of the square base is 5 centimeters given. 5 centimeter is the side of the square base. That means length and breadth both are 5. What is the height? The height is 14 centimeters. 14 centimeters. This is one of the packs of the talcum powder. Or one with circular base. There is another pack where the base is circular. Okay. The other kind of packing is where the base is circular of radius 3.5 centimeter. The radius of this circular part is 3.5 centimeters. Okay. And the height of the can is 12 centimeters. Okay. The height of this second type of pack is 12 centimeters. Okay. So this is the second type of packing. Which of them has greater capacity and by how much? You have to find the capacity of both. That means what do we have to find? Find the capacity of both the packs. That means we have to find what? Tell me. Yes.
Sir, what?
What do we have to find? We have to find the capacity. That means what do we have to calculate here? Capacity of
Sir,
both the
greater
cans.
capacity and by how much?
So what is the meaning of capacity? What is capacity?
Sir,
Yes, Pranjali, what is capacity? Yes, volume. Your voice is not coming clear. It is cracking a lot. It is
Sir,
volume, correct?
volume.
Yes, correct. Volume. We have to calculate the volume of both the packings. So find the volume of first packing. Calculate it. Then find the volume of second packing. Everything is given in the question.
sir, first packing is cuboid.
Yes, it is a cuboid. The length and breadth are 5, 5, and the height is 14. Okay. Find the volume of the second packing also, and then compare which has greater capacity and by how much. That means you have to find which of the two packing have greater volume and what is the difference of the volume. Okay. Find it. Do it yourself and post your answer in the group. I hope you all are doing it. You both are doing it. Sorry. Yeah, doing it.
Sir, 3.5 is the height of first to packing.
The radius. Second packing. Radius of second
Sir,
packing is 3.5. The height of the first packing is 14 centimeters.
okay.
It is marked in the figure which is there on the screen. Okay. Everything is marked in the figure. Radius, height, length, breadth of the cylinder, height of the cylinder, everything is marked. Yes,
So we have to find difference also.
yes, you have to find the difference of the volume and you have to tell that which of the two packing is having greater volume and by how much. That means you have to find the difference also.
Sir, second packing is greater.
Second packing has greater volume. Please post it in the group so that I can check it. Take a
Yes, sir.
photo and post it.
Yes, sir. 350 equals to 3 Sir, sand.
Okay. Home is not able to join the meeting. Volume of cuboid, that means the first packing is 350 centimeter cube, right?
Yes,
Very
sir.
good. And the volume of cylindrical packing is 462 centimeter cube. Very good. And therefore the cylindrical packing has greater volume and the difference is 112 centimeter cube. Okay. Pranjali beta, just correct the unit. It is should be centimeter cube. Otherwise, it is absolutely right. Okay, you have written square.
Yes, sir.
Question number 13. Mayank, read the question.
13. Find the cost of painting 15 cylindrical pillars of the building at 2.50 rupees per square meter if the diameter and height of each pillar are 48 centimeter and 7 meters respectively.
So what do we have to do? Explain.
Sir, we have to find the cost of
Cost of
painting.
painting the pillars.
Yes,
So
sir.
how will you do it?
Sir,
Find the cost of painting 15 pillars of a building at rupees 2.50 per square meter. To find the cost of painting, what do we have to find before finding the cost actually? So we have to calculate what here? We have to calculate volume. We have to
surface
calculate
area. Surface area.
which
Total surface area.
total surface area. See,
Yes.
pillars, the base of the pillar and the yes, Pranjali.
Lateral surface.
Very good. The curved surface area. We will
Sir,
calculate
lateral surface area.
lateral surface area or curved surface area is the same thing. So we have to calculate the curved surface area of the pillars. Why the curved surface area only? Because the base of the pillar, cylindrical base, circular base of the pillar, and the top of the pillar are not visible. Are they visible? No,
No,
they
sir.
the base of the pillar is actually the floor. So floor, we cannot lift up the pillar and paint it from the bottom. Am I right? We cannot lift up
Yes.
the pillar. So we will paint only on the curved surface of the pillar. So we will find out the CSA of one pillar, each pillar, and then you will multiply the CSA of each pillar by 15, right? You will
Sir,
get the curved
uh,
surface area of all the
sir,
15 pillars.
pillars are cylindrical or cuboid?
Cylindrical. It is given in the question. Read it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So find the curved surface area of all the 15 pillars. Find the CSA of one pillar, multiply by 15, and then find the cost. Okay. Do it. Question 13, both of you.
Sir, 1056 centimeter square.
1056
56, sir. Meter square.
meter square is the area of all the 15 pillars or one pillar.
CSA, sir. Sir, one pillar.
CSA of one pillar. Have you converted the radius of the pillar in meters? Have you converted in meters?
Radius.
Sir, in
Radius is
meters, it will be 0.56 meters square.
0.48. Sorry, how much?
Sir,
0.2.
10.56 meters.
The height of the pillar is given in meters, 7 meters. The radius is given is 48 centimeters, so it will be 0.48 meters. Now you will find the CSA. CSA is 2 into 22 upon 7 into R into H. 2 pi RH. So this is the CSA of one pillar. 2 into 22 into 0.48.
Sir, 0.48 is the diameter.
Diameter. So we will divide the diameter by 2. You will get the
Yes,
radius.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you can cut this 2 into. We have got the
0.24, sir.
radius is 48 upon 2. That means 0.48 upon 2. This is the radius because the diameter is 48 centimeters. So radius will be 48 upon 2. 0.48 upon 2. So we get 22 into 0.48. This is the CSA. Okay. Of one pillar. CSA of 15 pillars.
Into
All the
15.
15 pillars, we will multiply this by 15.
Yes, sir.
22 into 0.48 into 15. Now find the product and tell me what is the total CSA of all the 15 pillars. The area that is to be painted. Find out the product.
Sir, 158.4.
158.4. I hope you have checked it.
Yes.
Meters square. This is the area of each pillar. Sorry, all the 15 pillars. Total area that is to be painted. Okay. Now find the cost of painting these pillars. So total cost of painting, you will multiply the area 158.4 by 2.5. Find out how much. 2.50 is the rate. Rupees. We are paying rupees 2.50 for painting 1 meter square area. So you will pay how much for painting 158.4? You just have to multiply.
Sir,
Sir, 396 rupees.
Pranjali. Sorry, what is the answer, Pranjali?
Sir, 396
Sir,
rupees.
396.
396 rupees. Very good. Absolutely correct answer. Okay, all of you.
Yes, sir.
Just a minute. Let me share my link for the next class. Then read the next question. 14. Yes. Read it.
Yes, sir.
Yes. What do we have to do in question 14? Tell me.
Sir, we have to find the height of water in the cylindrical vessel.
Can you do it? A rectangular vessel length, breadth, height are given. If the total water is poured into an empty cylindrical vessel of radius 8 centimeter, find the height of water. What is the concept of the question? Can you explain? Okay, you will explain this question. We will discuss about this question in the next class. Not much time is left in the meeting. Okay,
Yes, sir.
thank you.
Thank you, sir.